Meaning of geometric mean.
Geometric mean.
Geometric mean.
Geometric mean.
Geometric mean. Geometric mean is a type of average that is calculated by taking the nth root of the product of n numbers. It is commonly used in finance, physics, and engineering to calculate growth rates, ratios, and other important metrics. Unlike arithmetic mean, geometric mean takes into account the compounding effect of growth or decay over time. It is often used when dealing with datasets that have skewed distributions or very large values. The resulting number from the calculation represents the central tendency of the data set in a way that minimizes the impact of extreme values.